Hi, today I will be showing you how to hide Instagram posts. If you find this video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe. So let's start. So first things first, you have to simply open or launch your Instagram application. And then what you're going to do here, if you want to hide a post that you have recently added to your Instagram, that's very easy. All you have to do is go to your profile, and then you have to locate or look for that specific post that you want to hide but you don't want to delete. Let's just say this one right here. If you want to simply hide this to your account or profile, you just have to click this three dots, and you should see this archive option right here. Tap that one, and as you can see, it is now transferred on your archive. If you go back to your account, if you scroll down here or if you refresh, that specific post is no longer here. That means you have hidden the post to anyone. Now, in order for you to put it back to your profile, you have to go to your settings and privacy. And as you can see above, there is the story archive right here. You have to tap that one and then change that to post. If you have post photos and videos here on your account, you can also choose stories or reels if that is story or reel. Now, show on profile. You have to read this one and then continue show on profile. If you go back to your account and then refresh, you will see your post again here on your Instagram. And basically, that's how easy it is to hide Instagram posts. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.